CloudExtend administrators should navigate to subscriptions.cloudextend.io and go ahead and click on Sign In and log in with the Microsoft account that you provided when you started your subscription. Once logged in, the first thing we recommend that you do is add some other administrative users. This will come in handy if you're out of the office or you need someone else to actually allocate end user license, but you want to maintain control over all of the users. Next, you'll go back and click on Accounts on the subscription that you want to manage. And here you're going to enter your NetSuite account number. This could be a sandbox or a production. In this case, I'm entering a production account. If it was a sandbox, I would choose sandbox. And then go ahead and click on the plus sign to add your NetSuite account. You can ignore anything here under autopilot. This is something for our CloudExtend Outlook for NetSuite enterprise users. Then come back to Manage Licenses. Go ahead and click on Licenses. And then this is where you will add individual users to your subscription. And then I'm going to click on View underneath Connections because the last thing we need to do now is connect him to a NetSuite account. So we'll go ahead and connect Joe to production account 1234567. Click the plus sign. And that's it. Joe now has a CloudExtend Excel for NetSuite license. And if you ever want to remove a license, just come over to Licenses, find the user whose license you want to remove, hit the trash can, click OK, and now you can see you have a total number of five licenses to allocate. And if you have any questions, use the chat icon at the bottom right, and you can reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.